In this video, we are going to understand how to create a flying animation using Scratch, and for that we are going to take a parrot sprite from the sprites library in the search box, and we don't need the cat sprite, so we can delete that. And to make it more better looking, we need a backdrop, so I'm taking this one, and it's like the parrot is going to fly through this area. And what we need is when we click on the green flag, so the parrot should go to a particular location, like the starting point, and it should have a destination, like it should fly to a particular set of locations. So we are going to change the coordinates here of x-axis and y-axis, and as you can see on the game stage, when you click on the green flag, so parrot is moving starting from one particular location going to the destination location. And you can change the x and y coordinates if you wish to change the location. Now what we need is we need the parrot to change the costumes. So here you can see there are two costumes available, and continuously if it changes both the costumes with a small time gap, it will appear that it is flying on the game stage. So what we are going to do is we are going to take another set of instructions, like when we click on the green flag, it should go to it should change the first costume, then it should wait for some time, and it should change this to the second costume, and it should do this in a continuous motion. Because if we do not put it in a loop like a repeat statement or a forever block, then it will not change the costume continuously. Just like if I click on the green flag now, you can see it has changed the costume one time, but it is not changing it continuously. So in order to give that effect, we are going to use a repeat block, or you can use a forever block also. And we are going to place both these set of instructions into that block. So in you can move here to the repeat block and put it back here, and place this instruction inside the repeat block. You can give any number. I'm saying, let's say, repeat 4 times. You can increase that number if you wish. And now when you click on the green flag, it appears that parrot is flying from one location to another location like this. And to give the flying effect, we are using the glide instruction here. Now we are going to save the work, give an appropriate name, just like flying animation, and we are through.